AP Lang and Composition scholars. Today we are going to discuss the FISD Plus expectations for AP Lang students. So it's really important that you open your guided notes for Unit 0, Lesson 5 if you haven't already. You will need them to fill in your notes as you follow this presentation. AP Lang is a college equivalent course, as you know, and certain expectations are set forth regarding the students of AP Lang. Specifically, I have 6 things that I'm looking for: self-discipline and maturity, work ethic, organization, open-mindedness and respect, a collaboration mindset, and independence. Let's talk about what each of these things mean. Take responsibility for your actions and decisions. Understand that you are in charge of your learning and your teacher is responsible for providing you the tools to learn with. This is what it means to have self-discipline and maturity, especially with as much asynchronous time as we have. You really have to self-regulate and make sure that you are using your time in the best way possible. Work ethic. Put forth your best effort and be proud of what you do. Work every day and strive to complete more than the absolute minimum. This means moving beyond the must-dos and completing some of the should-dos and aspire-to-dos as well. Real learning takes place beyond the level of basic knowledge. Organization. Especially if you're taking a number of advanced courses, or many of you are hybrid students participating in extracurricular activities. You need to find a way to balance your course load. And in addition, you need to find a method of organizing your materials, starting with a separate Google folder for AP Lang if you have not opened one already. And while you're at it, go ahead and share it with me with commenting or editing permissions, so that anytime you are submitting something via a web link on Canvas or you're emailing it to me, I have a way of accessing your materials. Open-mindedness and respect. This course involves a lot of discussion, debating, and analyzing and constructing arguments. You will not agree with everyone's views, and not everyone will agree with you, and that's okay. All discourse is to remain respectful and professional. And in addition, assume positive intent. Don't take things personally, right? No one's out to get you. No one's just trying to make you feel bad. You should always assume that whatever a person has to say, they have positive intentions behind it. A collaborative mindset. As I mentioned before, interaction with your peers is a big component of this class. You need to be able to work effectively with others, remaining on task, engaging in exchange of ideas, sharing tasks and responsibilities, etc. A collaborative mindset means being willing to engage with your peers thoughtfully and respectfully. But you must also be able to complete tasks on your own. Working collaboratively is a necessary skill, especially in the workplace, but independence is too. You're going to have plenty of opportunities to work with your peers, but you must also demonstrate your ability to tackle tasks alone. Now, you may remember this from my introductory video, but I created this focus sheet to help you across your classes to stay on top of your coursework. The Unit 0 Lesson 1 guided notes has a link to this document at the bottom. You can use the digital version, or you can print off a hard copy and do it by hand. This is simply one tool to help you. If you are interested in other types of digital planners or methods of organization, then please come and see me and I'll be more than happy to assist you. If you have any questions about any of these expectations or how to organize your things more efficiently, more effectively, or anything else to do with this unit, in fact, please don't hesitate to reach out. That is part of the maturity that I expect. Good luck.